Hi guys, welcome to it. Today I'm going to make some delicious food with the meat. Not the meat. This is my toy I buy. Please subscribe my channel, click the bell button. First I'm going to put wash and then put in the microwave. I have to give a microwave for me. Okay. One minute. And ready, washed. This time is gone, and I should cut. I'm going to cut it. Do not see me. I put it. I'm done with cut. Now I am going to take this plate and on it. This is we have the light is coming. This I'm going to put the meat. Put now time to cook. And cookie. She's cooking. Oh, it's done. Now I'm gonna put on the veg is ready, guys. See, I told you. I have magic power. This is new. It's okay. No, I'm not going now. Octobus. Guys, ഇത് ഒക്ടോബസ് ഒന്നുമല്ല, ഞാൻ വെറുതെ പറഞ്ഞ എനിക്കറിയില്ല എന്താ. അമ്മ ഇതെന്താ സാധനം? ഇത് good we buy in the Lulu. Guys, I'm done. I'm going to wash it out and come.
ഞാൻ പറയുന്ന അഞ്ചാമത്തെ ഹോട്ടലാണ്. ഇതിന്റെ മുകളിലേക്ക് അതിന് പണിയാനാണ് പ്ലാൻ. എന്തോ ഒന്നുമല്ല, ആരെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞതാ. മദ്യപിക്കോ കുടിക്കോ?
Now let's do this Stella. I'm going to use plastic fork for this. That's good. Click the bell button now. Get out.